Good morning, dear boys. This week we are continuation of the last week. So last week we have seen that present tense and past tense and the derivation from that present tense and past tense. So three major tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. So in these three tenses we can derive 12 tenses. That's what last week we saw that. Okay, we have seen. So this week we are going to see that simple future. Okay, so already 8 tenses are over: simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past, past perfect, simple past continuous, past perfect continuous. Next we are moving to simple future. Simple future is nothing but subject plus will or shall. So subject I, will or shall, we put shall plus verb. So what is the verb? Play. Play is a verb, then remaining. Okay, remaining sentence. So I shall play cricket. That is the formula for simple future. Future continuous. So same, I plus I means subject. I plus, so I shall. So this is a yes. I plus will or shall, we can put shall here, will or shall plus be. So continuous, future continuous, be will come. So be, I shall be, verb plus ing. So verb, what is the verb? Play plus ing means playing cricket. I plus will or shall, be plus verb plus ing. That's what. Future perfect tense. So I plus will or shall plus have. So perfect means whether it is a present tense have, past tense have will be changed into had, once again future have. So have plus pp. What do you mean by pp? Past participle or verb 3. Okay, that is play, played. That is called pp. So remaining sentence cricket. So that's what. Future perfect continuous, I plus shall plus have. What is the extra word we are adding in that future perfect continuous? Been. Okay, so I plus shall plus have plus been, pp, past participle. Okay, sorry, not past participle, verb plus ing. Okay, that is a future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense. I plus will or shall, have plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay, so my dear children, these are the 12 tenses. Okay, so now we are moving to that. I already told you have to memorize these columns. Last week I gave you homework. You have to memorize. Based on these tables, we are going to find out the answers for the given questions. Take page number 135 in your new book. Page number 135. In your new book, page number 135. So some of the exercises are given. First one, fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the verbs given in the brackets. When the burglars broke into the house, everybody dash sound asleep. So what is the answer? When the burglars broke into the house, everybody in the bracket have is given sound asleep. So my dear children, before you find out, you do this. You have to go through these tables. So when the burglars broke into the house, everybody have sound sleep. So two incidents happened. So take that past continuous. Page number 132. So someone was doing something, okay, certain term, an action happened in the middle of the another action. In page number 132, past continuous, see that. How we find out that this is past continuous, this is past perfect, this is present continuous. So based on this table. So that's what I told you, you have to memorize this table. You have to memorize this. So see this past continuous, an action happened in the middle of another action. Already one action has happened. So what is the action? When the burglars broke into the house. Okay, everybody sound asleep. So two actions were happened. So one action's already happened, everybody sound asleep already, that was happened in the first. So the burglars broke into the house is the second. So already one action is happened, it was going on, so another action is happening. So that's what. So what is given? An action happened in the middle of another action. That is the rule given. So that if you come to see like this situation means that is past continuous. So an action happened in the middle of another action. If you come to see this situation, that is past continuous. That's what given here. So already sleeping is an action, the burglars broke into the house is another action. Okay, so that's what. So this is a past continuous. Past continuous means in the bracket they are given have only they are given. How we can give the past continuous? Everybody is indicated singular. Okay, singular. So everybody was having, I already told you, past continuous. Everybody was having. Understood, my dear children? Everybody was having. That is the answer. Next one. The milk dashed over as she went to see the crowd. The milk dashed spill over as she went to see the crowd passing by with loud slogans. So what will come? Same. Two actions happened. One action happened in the middle of the another action, like first one. Okay, the milk spill over as she went to see the crowd passing by with the loud slogans. Okay, so two incidents were happened. So one incident happened in the middle of the another action. So what is the answer? Yes, was spitting. Like first one. Okay, was, milk is a singular, no? So was spitting. So past continuous. Two incident happened. An incident happened in the middle of the, an action happened in the middle of the another action. So the second one also like first one. Third one, if Karthik dash any mistake, he will be rewarded. So this one you marked it. When I teach you that if clause, it will be clear for you. Okay, at present I just say the answer, but when I take the if clause, it will be clear to you. Okay, but the answer is if Karthik dash any mistake, he will be rewarded. This is in if clause first type. Okay, the if clause first type, if clause will be present tense and conditional clause will be future tense. So what is the present tense here? If Karthik not make, you just put not make, that is the answer. If Karthik not make any mistake, so I already told you, if Karthik not make any mistake, he will be rewarded. This is a present tense if clause. In conditional clause, simple future. Okay, so answer is simple present not make. They were watching, fourth one, they were watching TV when they hear, inside bracket here, a loud bang at the door. So what is that? They were watching TV when they hear. So past, this is a, they were watching TV when they heard. So just see that. What is the answer? When they heard loud bang at the door. So two incidents has happened. So just see that past continuous, page number. See that page number past perfect. So this fourth one is past perfect. They were watching TV when they hear a loud bang at the door. So how can we say, sir? They were watching. They were watching means where is the plural form? Plural form for past tense. They were watching. So past continuous. So two incidents happened in the past. The incident which took place first, which indicated as past continuous. The second incident has a simple past. Okay, so two incidents happened in the past. The first incident should be mentioned in the past continuous. The second incident should be in the simple past. That's what here. So they were watching TV is already, it is begin first. So that should be in that past continuous. When they hear a loud bang at the door. So loud bang at the door is that incident happened, that action happened second. Okay, they were watching TV is the first. They would hear the loud bang at the door is the second action. So the two incidents happened in the past. The first incident should be mentioned as past continuous and the second incident should be mentioned as simple past. So what is the here? What is the simple past for here? Heard. Heard. Okay? Here. Next one. The bus, inside the bracket, leave the stop before we could catch it. The bus leave the stop before we could catch it. My dear children, fifth one also, two incident happened in the past. Fourth one, two incident happened in the past. The first one is already they are given as a past continuous. But the fifth one also two incident happened in the past. Okay, two actions happened in the past time. So the first one should be in the past perfect and the second one should be in the simple past. Okay, you see that. Page number 132, past perfect. So mostly when the two actions in a story are related to each other, the action which had already happened is put into the past perfect. Page number 132, the action which had already happened, the action which already started, begin, the first action, that should be in the past perfect, the other action should be in the simple past. So that is the fifth one. So based on this rule, so we have to give the answer for this. So which action happened first? The bus leave the stop before we could catch it. Which one happened first? The bus leave the stop or before we could catch it? Which one happened first? The bus leave the stop only happened first. So that action would be already over. The bus leave the stop. So that first action should be past perfect. So past perfect means what we have to do? The bus left the stop before we could catch it. So the bus had left. Had left. The bus had left. Sixth one, Arya dash play, inside the bracket, play the same song for last 3 days. It has become boring now. Okay. So here, how we can find out? So come to that page number 132. Page number 132. 133, past perfect continuous tense. So why I am saying this is a past perfect continuous tense? What is the reason? So see this, page number 133, past perfect continuous tense. It's indicate how long one action is take place. Since, how long, for, how long something had happened, how long something had been happening before something else happened. So how long one action is happened, the time is mentioned in the subject, the time is mentioned in the sentence. Okay, so if the time is mentioned, one action is beginning a certain time in the past, it was keep on continuous, it was continuous particular time in the past. One action is begins particular time in the past, it was keep on it was continuously, it was going on with the time mentioned, which means past perfect continuous tense. See that Arya had played the same song for last 3 days. So he started play the same song for last 3 days. He started play the song 3 days before. He was continuously doing last 3 days. So continuously was doing that, playing the song past 3 days means. So how long the actions take place? Action happened sometime in the past. It was going on with a particular time, 3 days. So this is a past perfect continuous tense. So past perfect continuous tense means what will come? Arya dash play the same song for last 3 days, had been playing. Past perfect continuous tense means had been playing. Had been playing. Okay. Seventh one, Manju dash after we reach home. It is a simple one. Manju dash after we reach home. Manju called, simple past. Manju called after we reach home. Next one, eighth one, the show dash complete its 1000 episodes by next month. Look at the sentence clearly. The show inside the bracket complete its 1000 episodes by next month. Next month means future. They are saying one action is going to complete in the next month particular time. The particular time is the next month. So next month means, last month means past tense. Next month means future. So what will come? Future perfect continuous. I already told you, one action is going to complete particular time in the future means, so future perfect continuous. One action is going to complete particular time in the past means past perfect continuous. Previous one. Sixth one. So eighth one is the future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense means what will be the answer? The show will have been complete. Future perfect continuous tense. Shall have been played. Shall have been, will have been, future perfect continuous, sorry. Future perfect tense here is given. Future perfect. Will or shall have plus past participles. Okay. So future, the show will have been complete its 1000 episodes by next month. So future perfect continuous tense. Okay. It is a future perfect continuous tense. So the show will have been completed. Will have been completed. So how it is future perfect continuous tense? Will have been completed. See this. Future perfect continuous. So future perfect tense. It's not continuous. Future perfect. Future perfect. What are the criteria are given? Page number 133. Future perfect. What are the criteria given? Something will already have happened before a certain time in future. So something will already have happened before a certain time in the future. So something will already have happened before a certain time in the future. See this. The show, already the show is started sometime in the future. The show will have been completed its 1000 episodes by next month. So it is a future perfect tense. So it's completed. So it's completed its 1000 episodes by next month means it's not continuing, it's completed. It's completed means it's future perfect tense. It's next month 1000 episodes. It was going on. It was crossing 1000 episodes by next month means it was continuing. It was continuing. So future perfect continuous tense we are using. So what they are given, the show complete its 1000. Complete means it's going to complete. So sometime in the future. So we have to use future perfect tense only. Okay, this future perfect tense only will have been completed. So will have future perfect continuous tense will have been completed. Ninth one, don't worry, we will be dash the airport in time. Be come means what will come? What is that? What tense it is? Be comes means what tense it is? Future continuous. So don't worry, we will be reaching the airport in time. We will be reaching. We will be reaching the airport in time. 10th one, Prasanna has dash sick after eating some snacks at the street side shop. So this is a Prasanna, it's a boy, dash falls sick after eating some snacks at the street side shop. This is a present perfect. How? See this present perfect criteria. So Prasanna, you say that something has happened or finished in the past and it has connection to the present. Something has happened in the past and its connection. So what you did the action, the consequence, the connection is still continuous. Okay, how? Prasanna has fall sick after eating some snacks at the street side shop. Already he ate something in the street side shop. So what is the consequence? What is the continuation? That already he ate something. that action is over. So, consequence, what is that impact of by eating that, what is the impact of eating? Okay, that is the consequence. So, what is the consequence? He has fallen. So, something, one action, after completing one action, it is continuous, it is given, action started in the past and continues up to the present. Okay, it has a connection. Okay, something has happened or finished in the past and it has a connection to the present. Something has happened, he ate something in the street side shop. Okay, that action is over. But still, because of that eating that street side shop, what has happened? What is the consequence? He has fallen. So, it is some the consequences continues, okay, by eating that. So, that is called present perfect. Present perfect means what will come? Prasanna has fall. Present perfect means what will come? Past participle form is what? Fallen. Prasanna, fallen. Okay? Prasanna has is already given. So, fallen. Next one, tick the correct options to complete the sentences. The climate of the city remains mild and pleasant most of the time. Remains. B1. One day he dashed into a hotel in Ooty, a beautiful city in Tamil Nadu. One day he dashed into a hotel in Ooty, a beautiful city in Tamil Nadu. Booked. Second one, C. Booked. So, C. Tick the correct option to complete the sentences. First one, B. First one, B. Second one day he dashed. Booked. C. Booked. Third one, you will certainly dash rewards for what you are doing. Will is coming, you will certainly be getting rewards. Certainly be getting rewards for what you are doing. D1. Be getting awards for what you are doing. Fourth one, do you dash the day we moved the piano upstairs? Do you dash the day we moved the piano upstairs? Do you remember the day? So, do you remember? A. Fourth one is A. Next, fifth one. Fifth one, the rain completely dashed our day. Spoiled is spoiling, is spoiled, was spoiled. Spoilt our day. Simple past, spoilt. So, A. Fifth one is A. You have to mark in the book. So, you have to mark in the book with pencil. Boys, these answers and these answers and all, you are not simply just a ticket. This you have to write in that dash. This answers you have to write in the dashes and this answers you have to tick it with the pencil. Okay, clearly. Sixth one, Akbar dashed the king at the age of 15 after the sudden death of his father. Akbar became, okay, simple past, became, C1. Seventh, the criminal dashed the place before the police could reach. So, two incidents happened. The criminal dashed the place before the police could reach. Which is happened first? The criminal dashed the place before the police could reach. The criminal escaped. The criminal had escaped is happened first, or the police could reach. Which incident happened first? So, two incidents happened in the past. Which incident happened first? The criminal escaped only happened first. So, that should be in the past perfect. The police could reach in is the simple past. Okay. So, two incidents happened in the past. The first action should be in the past perfect. The second action should be in simple past. So, here which one come? Had escaped. That is a past perfect. Had escaped. B1. Eighth, they dash all the arrangements before the guest's arrival. They dash all the arrangements before the guest's arrival. They will made. They will made. So they will have made. They will have made all the arrangements before the guest's arrival. Okay, wow. Before the guest's arrival. Okay, they will made. Will be made won't come. Had been making when were making won't come. All three answers are irrelevant. So they will have made. So first A1, they will have made. Ninth one, Sabitra dash her job by tomorrow evening. So by tomorrow evening, what she will do? Will have been completing. Okay, so will have been completing. Sabitra dash her job by tomorrow evening means, so will have been completing. D1. Will have been completing her job by tomorrow evening. Okay. 10th one, Harshini, her mother, in making a rangoli in the yard for last 1 hour. So my dear children, this I told you, this one will have been completed. So 8th one, you see this, fill in the blanks. 8th one, the show will have been 1000 episodes by next month. It's a future perfect continuous only, it will come, I think so, this also, because they are given a particular time. So you can just change this also. It is not a future perfect tense, it is a future perfect continuous tense. This one, okay, you just change this. So will have been completed, completing its 1000, will have been completing. So this also future perfect continuous tense. Okay, will have been completing. Likewise this, Sabitra dash her job by tomorrow evening, will have been completing. So will have been completing. 9th one, so D, will have been completing. Next 10th one, Harshini dash her mother in making rangoli in the yard for last 1 hour. So one action is already happened in sometime in the past and it was continuous. So past perfect continuous tense, already happened in the sometime in the past, still it is continuous. Past perfect continuous tense. Harshini dash her mother in making rangoli in the yard for the last 1 hour. So an action is already happened in the past, still it is continuous means present perfect continuous, not past perfect, present continuous. Harshini dash her mother in making rangoli in the yard for last 1 hour. For last 1 hour she is making rangoli. Okay, that's what. So it's a present perfect continuous. Okay. C, has been playing. One action is already happened in that sometime in the past and still it is continuous means present perfect continuous. Okay. So next one, identify the errors. Okay. So identify the errors, just mark it. So I just write the answers here. First one, D, identify the errors. Okay. So my dear children, just change it. I have met him yesterday. I have met him yesterday. You just identify the errors, find out the errors. So the right sentence is, I have met him yesterday. I met him yesterday. That is the right sentence. I met him yesterday. Have, just strike out. Have, strike out. I met him. In that notes I will give that clearly, but in the book you just strike out have, first sentence. Second sentence, I am watching TV since morning. The right sentence is, I have been watching TV since this morning. Okay. She is seeming sad. So she is seeming sad. The right sentence is, she seems sad. Okay. The fourth one, she watched TV when her husband came. Okay. She was watching TV when her husband came. She watched TV when her two incident happened. She was watching TV when her husband came. In that notes, I'll give these answers for this. Just listen now. He is having a cellular phone. He is having a cellular phone is a wrong sentence. He has a cellular phone. That is the right. Sixth one, I heard him to speak on several subjects. This is a wrong sentence. Right sentence, I heard him speak on several subjects. Here, I heard him to speak. The to is you have to strike out. To won't come. Okay. So next one. Seventh one. 10 candidates have passed. 1 failed. So the right sentence is 10 candidates have passed. Before 1 and you have to add. And 1 failed. And 1 failed. You have to add and before 1. Eighth one. He succeeded because he works hard. The right sentence is he succeeded because he worked hard. He works hard won't come. Works hard is a present tense, so it won't come. He worked hard. Okay, ninth one, how long are you working in this office? So this is a wrong sentence. Right sentence, how long have you been working in this office? How long have you been? Are you working won't come, have you been? 10th one, I shall wait for you till you will finish your work. So, this is a wrong. Right sentence is, I shall wait for you till you finish your work. Okay. I shall wait for you till you finish your work. So, what is that wrong here? I shall wait for you till you finish your work. So, here will won't come. I shall already shall is given in the first. I shall wait for you till you will finish your work. Again they are put future tense. So will won't come. Just strike out the will. 11th one. When I reached the station, the train already left. When two incident happened, we already did some exercises. Two incident happened. First incident should be past perfect. Second incident should be simple past. When I reached the station, the train already left. So the right sentence is, when I reached the station, the train had already left. Which was happened first? The train left only happened first. So that should be in the past perfect. Second, I reached the station is a simple past. Okay. So when I reached the station, the train had already left. Okay. Had already left. That is the had only you have to add here. Okay. Past perfect continuous. 12th one, she or he have done well. So she or he have done well. So here she or he has done well. That is the answer. 13th one of the boys are missing. One of the boys means that is a singular. You have to take it as a singular. So one of the boys in the group, one of the boys in the class is good. So likewise. So singular means or won't come is. One of the boys is missing. None is genuine. None is genuine. So what will come means no one is genuine. None won't come. No one is genuine. She is waiting for you for 3 hours. So 3 hours. So here already 3 hours is given. Okay. One incident is happened in the past. Still it is continuous. Past perfect continuous. Okay. So present perfect continuous. One incident already action already happened in the past. Still in continuous means present perfect continuous. What will come? She is won't come. She has been waiting for you for 3 hours. She has been waiting for you for 3 hours. Yes, my dear children, this tenses are over. That exercise also I explained you clearly. So if you have any doubt, you can call and clarify. Next week we are going to see the conditional clauses. Okay. So till then you have to work out lot of exercises in the tenses. Regarding tenses, you have to work out lot of tenses. How simple present, how simple past, based on this tables. Okay, based on these tables, you have to work out lot of sentences. Then only it will be very easy for you. So, my dear children, so till we meet the next week. This is your English teacher signing off.